Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about engineering versus technology. What is engineering? In everyone's mind, always need an exact answer for this question. Even most of the graduates in the field of engineering also needed this. For them, the answer is the engineering is the profession that uses and applies scientific theories, mathematical methods to achieve the practical goal of solving problems in the world for the welfare of human being. The word engineering is derived from the Latin word ingenium, which means cleverness, and ingeniare, which means to design or to devise, which combinedly gives the meaning for the engineering is clever invention. If we got exact answer for engineering, parallelly another question arises in everyone's mind. What is technology? The technology is the knowledge that use and invent the tools and techniques for the purpose of problem solving to achieve the development. The term technology is derived from two Greek words, techno, which means science of craft, logia, which means art, skills, etc., which combinedly means the sum of techniques, skills, methods, and process used for the accomplishment of objectives to achieve a practical goal. In general, engineering and technology is giving nearly the same meaning, but while we go for examples, we can easily find out the difference between these two. From ancient days of Stone Age itself, we can find out so many examples. In Stone Age, the peoples use chopper stone and flint stones for the purpose of hunting and making fire. Here, for the chopper stone case, the plan and approach of hunting is the very good example of engineering. The techniques and the usage of chopper stone tool is the example of technology development. Also, for the flintstone case, the approach and plan of making fire is a good example for engineering. And the techniques and the usage of flintstone tool for making fire is a good example for technology development. In today's modern world, so many examples are there. The lock and key is one of the easiest example to find out the difference between these engineering and technology. The lock and key is the onset of industrial revolution of late 18th century. If you see the anatomy of keys, the mathematical design for the blade teeth and notches and the planning of material for the purpose of unique locking and opening is the great example of engineering, that is the clever invention. At the same time, the cutting skill technique and tools required for cutting the notches, teeth, and blades are the examples of technology. If we see comparatively, engineering is the mind and effort into making something, whereas technology is the result of application of mind and effort. Also, engineering is finding the problems and ideas, whereas technology is developing the solution. From the above differences and explanations using examples, we can find out one thing, that the engineering and technology is mutually performing to achieve the goal of human welfare. Thank you.